What's happening, YouTube? Day Ripper 69 at a Target off of Highway 6 in College Station, Texas. I grabbed some baseball products. Got 3 packs here. Got a pack of 2009 X. Got a pack of 2011 Topps Lineage. And I got a pack of H 2012. So we'll do the 09, then the 11, then the 12. So H. Been loving this H lately, man. And loving this X. Got Jason Giambi on top. Chen Ming Wang. A die cut of Prince Fielder. And a J. Bruce Exponential. I think that's a level. Is that a level 1? Yeah, it's a level 1. Pretty nice card though. Dustin Pedroia and James McDonald. Alright, let's do the Lineage. Got a Carlton Fisk on top. Kyle Drabick. A mini 75 reprint of Andruw Jones. And a jersey of B.J. Upton. B.J. Upton. Paul O'Neill. Vernon Wells. Alright, final pack. Hoping for a red bordered or something. Something decent. Got Brett Morel on top. Tribe Thumpers. Cabrera and Santana. Dan Herron, Brett Gardner, Delman Young, Matt Garza, a Willie Mays flashback, Emilio Bonifacio, Kevin Gregg, and the dreaded checklist. So we did get a hit out of those 3 packs. B.J. Upton from Lineage, College Station, Texas. Keep buying, keep trying. Try to stay thirsty for me, my friends.